gosh, we just got done with the Ratatouille ride, you guys. It was so stinking cute. Oh, that's helpful. There's a tree. I'm gonna show you guys the ride. I cannot wait for that to come. Excuse me. I know, and we were, yeah, she's like, hello, hello. And she's like motioning us. And we're just talking. Oh my God, Lindsay, I loved it. It was amazing.
Guys, the food is for them, not you. Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous.
What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
Okay, we just got here for the expo, and this is the line for the expo to get in. Holy crapolas. It is a very, 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 very long line. Let me add one more very. So, okay, we're going in.
Definitely hitting the merch.
We're going into the
Merch
expo. Merch first.
Merch first.
Because that's what Lynn
Ask
Disney wants.
questions later.
Merch first. Take no prisoners. Okay, we are in the expo. We are in the expo. Oh wow, okay. So that's really cute. That looks small, doesn't it? Do that in the medium. I lost you guys. Where'd they go? Oh, where'd she go? Oh, I need that. I need that. It's cotton though, isn't it? Oh no, well, it is cotton. Okay, yeah, vouchers. All right, we're gonna go get vouchers printed. Okay, whatever you ordered, I think. Lindsay, thoughts on the merch?
Kind of disappointing, I have to admit. Not a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Mostly unisex, a lot of cotton.
A lot of cotton. We don't like that.
No, not a huge fan.
If I can't run in it, and it's not like I like tech fabric for even in the parks. Like if I'm gonna wear a shirt, because otherwise, you know, you pit out. It's a class. Oh. So this is the very mellow expo. They've got just a couple of vendors, no big thing. They've got some people doing massages. They've got the Run Disney booth with the medals. They've got some pictures, and literally that's it. And then Garmin has some representation, and the revitalized water. But very chill for the expo area. But we got some, Lindsay and I both bought a few of the pins and a couple of shirts, but kind of the merch was, I mean, I'm fine with it because I didn't want to spend a fortune anyway, so it's not a big deal, but way less than what I would see in a Florida or certainly, yeah, a Florida or a California race, if we still had California races. But anyway, it's super fun to be here with Lindsay because she and I have chatted on Twitter forever, and we're always at the same Run Disney events, but we've never actually connected, so it's really fun to hang out with her. So hold on. She's waving over there. There she is! There she is! Okay, so this is the line to print out your vouchers if you did not already do that. And it is ridiculously long. We've been waiting in this line we're done now, but we waited in this line for almost an hour. So if you ever decide to run the Disneyland Paris Half Marathon, either print it out at your hotel or, I don't know, Disneyland Paris Half Marathon, y'all need to get your act together and make these things available sooner than Monday or Tuesday, or in this case, I got mine on Wednesday, because if we're traveling internationally, we are actually leaving the country. So this is ridiculous. And they only have 4, you guys know I'm pretty positive. I don't normally rant, but they only have 4 computers and 4 printers running, and it's just, it's crazy. It's ridiculous. There's no reason for it to be like this. Okay, we are now finally. Patty, get in here. I can't see you. Oh, where's Patty? You lost her.
Bonjour.
Not qu'est-ce que c'est, Patty. That's not right. That's how do you say Patty? Où est Patty?
Is, yeah. What,
Yeah.
No, qu'est-ce que c'est would be like, what is
What
this?
is Patty?
What is this?
French lessons with 3 jet-lagged princesses.
So, oh God. Lynn Disney and I, we got some rants. We're gonna not do it now. We're not gonna do it now because we want to be happy and go have our meal. But yeah, we got some rants. There was
Quite
a lot of
opportunities.
For lots of things, mostly for us to work on our patience. But I may, you know what, I will, so that I don't make this vlog cranky. I will do a whole separate tips and tricks for Disneyland Paris where I will discuss.
That's a good idea.
Where we will be down in my basement in my little studio and we will discuss. Oh look, we got completely dark. Okay, so more on that later. Right now we're going to where for dinner? Captain Jack's. Disneyland Paris. I like the train station. It's got
Really cool.
Oh, are we being, is this the 3 o'clock parade? That doesn't happen at 3 o'clock? Yeah. Look you guys, everything's in French. Parade!
So these people are waiting for the parade?
Yes. No, they're waiting for us, I think. I said they're waiting for us to watch us walk by because we're so stinking cute. Okay, Lindsay's feeling better now.
Are you filming me?
Yeah. Lynn Disney's feeling better. She's starting to calm down. Starting to, woo, bringing it down. Okay, you guys. This restaurant is right outside of Pirates. Is it like in California? Like, do we eat? Oh, what? Lynn Disney is such a great travel agent that doesn't require anything from me and just does things for me. You know what I mean? Okay, we are eating at Captain Jack's, and this is my view from the table. And then over here, you see the pirate boats going by for Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't know why I said Pirates of the Caribbean. But it's so cool in here. You can hear the water behind me, boats going by. And we are starving, so we are gonna eat. Right, Lindsay?
So hungry.
So hungry. We need sustenance. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so tired. So after a very full travel day, haven't been to the hotel, didn't sleep all night, had the day we had an amazing time at the parks, had a great dinner at Captain Jack's, and now I'm at a different hotel than where I thought I was gonna be. I thought I was gonna be at the Radisson Blu, but they did not have a room for me, so when I got there, they moved me to the Dream Castle. I'm gonna show you guys a room because it's a very typical, kind of a, what I would call a moderate hotel room. It's very clean, it's a little more worn down, but still very, very comfortable, very nice. It has a window that opens. So I'm gonna show you guys around because it's a little different than an American hotel room. So I thought this was interesting. You've got all these hooks when you first walk in the door. This is good because if you did have a stroller, you could put it there. I'm always thinking about my friends with littles. I already kind of have my stuff out in the bathroom, but just typical hairdryer on the wall, mirror, of course your soap's attached to the wall. Typical toilet area, and then a very interesting shower that I have no idea how to work. So we will see how that all works out, but very nice and clean, and I'm looking forward to doing that. You have a lovely wardrobe in here with hangers and extra bedding. and a safe, which is very nice. This resort has a free shuttle to Disneyland Park and is just literally just right down the road. A really nice big mirror, nice big king size bed, and 2 bedside tables. And you do of course have to bring your adapter because you are in France after all. And then this is my favorite part, is that the window actually opens. Well, if I can show you. And it's dark out, but it's beautiful, beautiful French view, and that I will show you guys in the morning. And it's nice and cool out. So that is my room. Like I said, tomorrow they're gonna move me back to the Radisson Blu. Something about they had rooms under refurbishment and they didn't have a room for me, but they said that they will tomorrow. So in the morning, my plan is to get up, to move my bags over there, and then to get on the train and go to Paris. The theme here is very Disney little kid-esque, but again, very comfortable. The staff's been nothing but lovely and nice, very safe, very family-friendly with all the amenities that you could need. One tip, they do not stock lotion in hotel rooms in France, just as a normal course, and they don't sell it either. So if you like cream, is what they call it, or lotion, you need to make sure you bring your own. So if you have a trip to Disneyland Paris coming up, if the Dream Castle is a hotel that is a good bargain, it usually is. It's usually around $100 a night. The bed seems really comfortable, and like I said, just a really nice, clean, comfortable place for me to get a very good night's sleep. So thanks for joining me today, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. So what you do is you get a crepe with Nutella right by the Eiffel Tower.